So I wanted to share with you the rod and reel combo that I primarily use when I go fishing, whether here in my backyard or inshore or offshore. This here is the Daiwa Samurai X2. I bought this from Dick's Sporting Goods. This is under 30 bucks, and this is a 7-foot light to medium action rod. I would consider this light tackle fishing. It packs a punch in terms of its ability to handle big fish that you get on the line. And I have several of these here that I always bring with me when I'm fishing, and I've caught, you can check some of my videos, I've caught plenty of big size flounder, red drum, bluefish, bass, you name it, with this type of fishing rod and reel combo. And again, this is really inexpensive, it's not going to break your bank, it's highly reliable. I wouldn't recommend it if I wasn't using it myself, and I also have proof of how well this fishing rod and reel works. If you're new to fishing, or just looking for some alternative option that's not gonna break your bank when it comes to getting your rod and reel, this here is a 2-piece. You can't go wrong with it, and as long as you take care of it in terms of rinsing your rod and reel off after using it, this thing will last you for a very long time. I have rod and reels that I've been using at least for 3 to 4 years. This one here is a brand new one only because, again, I've needed to replace some rods that were lost in the water by accident. Outside of you just losing it, these things will last. I wanted to share with you this rod and reel, Daiwa Samurai X2. This is a 2-piece with a spin combo with it, light, medium action, and this thing packs a punch. Like I said, you can catch really big fish with this rod and reel combo. So I will put a link to where I bought mine from. Again, this is from Dick's Sporting Goods. I'm not sure if you can get it from anywhere else, but I will put a link where you can purchase it. And there's always deals, so you can probably get it even cheaper. I think I had like a $10 off coupon. I bought this thing for $15. Again, for $15, when it's all said and done, this is a great value, and I'm gonna enjoy using this here very soon in the coming weeks. Let me know what you think. If you have any other recommendations in terms of some alternative options to your high-end fishing rods that work really well in your experience. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave your comments down below. And as always, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications to get future updates whenever I post new videos or go live. But as always, thanks for watching. Peace.